Meaning of grubber.
grubber,
Grubber.
grubber,
Grubber. Grubber is a term that can have different meanings depending on the context. In sports like rugby or Australian rules football, a grubber is a type of kick where the ball is struck along the ground, bouncing and rolling unpredictably. In informal British English, grubber can also refer to someone who behaves in an unscrupulous or dishonest way, although this usage is somewhat outdated. Overall, grubber is a versatile term that can connote a variety of actions or behaviors depending on the situation.